Alright, so here we got a 2015 Nissan Rogue Select. Standard key. We're doing a remote start on there. So far, I'm just had the disassembly. This front dash piece comes out. You got a Torx bit over here, just one, and then this whole panel pops off, and then you got these 4 10s holding on this plate. So we'll just take those off. Alright, so for the steering wheel cover, you got a Phillips in here. And then you got 2 up by the top over here, and then this whole thing just comes down. Alright, let me just go over these ignition connections. So the pink over here, pin 1, is your, right here. That's your ignition 1. The red is 12 volts. The blue is a starter. This pink over here at pin 4 is an accessory, and pin 5, the brown, is another accessory. So I'll just tap into those. Alright, so I made all my connections. My ignition connections are done. The immobilizer connections are up here, and where are they? They're right in there. Those connections are done. You see the brown is the data, I think, and then the green is the clock. So the interruption is at the brown wire. Brown red goes to the vehicle, not the vehicle. Brown red, or white red, sorry. White red from the ALCA goes to the connector side. White black along with the orange black goes to the car side of the wire. Then the parking lights, positive parking lights, are right here. Let me see, I got the light. It's gonna be right at the top, this one red wire at the top of this junction here. It's in the kick panel, right? So you got to take those panels off and you'll see it, and it's right at the top. Your OBD2 connections are done, and that's pretty much it. Just put everything together, program it, and pack it up.